Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize health savings accounts with HSA Bank, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding what a health savings account, or HSA, is. HSAs are tax-advantaged savings accounts designed for medical expenses. To open an HSA, you must have a qualified high-deductible health plan. Research different HSA providers to find one that suits your needs. HSA Bank is a popular choice due to its low fees and investment options. Visit HSA Bank's website to begin the account opening process. Fill out the online form with your personal information. Provide details about your high-deductible health plan during the registration. Once you submit the application, wait for confirmation of your account approval. After your account is approved, fund your HSA through direct deposit or bank transfer. Contribute the maximum allowed amount to maximize tax benefits. Review the investment options available through HSA Bank. Consider allocating a portion of your funds into investment accounts for potential growth. Use your HSA debit card for eligible medical expenses to access tax-free funds. Keep track of your receipts for tax reporting purposes. Regularly review your account statements to monitor contributions and withdrawals. Adjust your contributions as needed based on your medical expenses and tax situation. Stay informed about changes to HSA regulations and contribution limits annually. Finally, utilize any education resources provided by HSA Bank for further optimization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.